Hi, Phil here from the Wins Technical Centre and welcome to Under the Hood. Today we're going to take a look at the diesel particulate filter. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you can see more videos on our technical tips of using our products. So when a vehicle enters the workshop with a DPF problem, and once you've confirmed why the vehicle is not going into self-cleaning mode known as regeneration, and confirmed the soot loading of the DPF by measuring the pressure, what do you do? Do you change the diesel particulate filter? Additives can offer you an ideal cleaning solution to reduce the need of replacing that component. As you well know, there are many reasons why a diesel particulate filter won't regenerate on the road. This ranges from injector contamination, sensor problems, EGR system problems, right down to low fuel levels and customers' driving styles. So when the reason has been found, we can then look at finding a solution for cleaning the diesel particulate filter. With a soot loading up to 40%, we would choose an in-tank product of DPF regenerator and diesel injector cleaner. With a soot loading of 40 to 70%, then we would choose an on-car cleaning solution with DPF and GPF on-car cleaner. With a further increased soot loading of 70% and above, we would then choose DPF off-car cleaner for cleaning the diesel particulate filter. So let's take a look at the three solutions for cleaning the diesel particulate filter. The first solution is the in-tank solution. This is a combination of DPF regenerator and diesel injector cleaner. This is using the vehicle's own self-regeneration as a tool to aid regeneration. The DPF regenerator, when added to the fuel tank, travels through combustion and lowers the soot burn temperature in the diesel particulate filter, allowing it to be burnt off at lower temperatures and more easily. By using the injector cleaner, we clean the injectors and restore the exhaust gas temperature. This aids the temperature within the diesel particulate filter, and in combination of the two products, lowers the soot loading in the diesel particulate filter. So the second solution for cleaning the DPF is Wins on-car DPF and GPF cleaner. We apply this product directly to the diesel particulate filter and find a suitable access point via the pressure sensor pipe. Once the product has been applied to a warm DPF, it's left to soak for 15 to 20 minutes. On completion, we start the engine, run at 2000 RPM for 5 minutes, and then carry out an extended road test. The third solution is for soot loading above 70%. Here we would use DPF off-car cleaner. This means we remove the diesel particulate filter from the vehicle and hang it in a suitable location to apply the product in the reverse direction of the exhaust flow. Once we've applied the product directly to the diesel particulate filter, we would then allow it to soak for more than 90 minutes. So finding a suitable bung to block off the bottom of the filter, we fill the filter with DPF off-car cleaner and allow to soak. After we've left the product to soak for a minimum of 90 minutes, we can then remove the bung from the bottom of the DPF. Once we've removed the bung from the DPF and the product has run through, we then rinse the DPF with hot water, and as we apply it, you will start to see it run clear. Once the flushing process is complete, then what we need to do is just gently dry the DPF with an airline and some compressed air. Once this is done, we can refit the filter to the vehicle, reset the settings, and carry out a road test. For more information on our complete professional product range, you can speak to your local spares part shop, visit our website, or download the Wins Expert app. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Under the Hood videos.